Now we present before you one of the very famous conceptual Java question that is written on the board. That means you have a public class A within which you have a method, that is public void method, and it prints TIH, right? And then we have a public static void main, which is the entry point to any Java program. That means within that main method, what we are doing, we are calling a method that we have created. So we are trying to call this method from this main. Now we have to find out whether the output will be TIH, or program will execute but nothing is printed, or it will have a compilation error, or it will have runtime error. Now this is one of the very famous conceptual question, as I told earlier. Now what you have to keep in mind is, whenever you are trying to call any method from within another method, then you must check the nature of that method. That means this main method is static in nature, but this method which you are trying to call is non-static in nature. That means this method is not declared static, and when it is not declared static, then Java says that you cannot make reference to non-static method from a static method. So it violates that rule. As a result, it will result in compilation error. Now what will be the compilation error? You will get compilation error at this line, and the error would be something like this: cannot make static reference to non-static method, and that would be the compilation error. So you got to know that this will result in compilation error. Now suppose you wanted this to run and print TIH, then what would have been done? In that case, what you need to do is, you need to make this method as static as well. So you need to declare this as static, and once you declare that this method as static, it will work like a charm and it will print TIH, the result that you were expecting it to print. So this is how you can fix this problem that you are seeing in the code. That means in our case, the question that was given, it will result in compilation error because it is not declared static, right? So this is why we have a compilation error as the correct answer. Hope this helps, and if you find this video informative, we would request you to please like and subscribe our channel.